It's Robert Mittendorf with the Bellingham Herald. You're looking at local photos of some distracted driving crashes and their aftermath. As Washington State gets tough on distracted driving, I talked to road rules columnist and traffic safety expert Doug Dahl about the issue.
When you're driving, make driving your priority. Don't let distractions like a phone or eating a taco or taking care of kids in the back seat distract you from the primary objective. If you need to take care of anything, find a safe place to pull over and do it rather than trying to do two things at once while you're driving. The state did a study recently, and in Whatcom County, about 10% of the people on the road at any given moment were observed in distracting behaviors. I think 9 out of 10 of those people were on their phone, either talking or texting or somehow using electronic devices. So that's the highest dangerous behavior that we're observing.
Pretty soon that's going to be illegal.
Well, it's illegal now, but it's illegal now, but they're changing the law to make it more strict and more enforceable. Pretty much with the new law, if your phone is in your hand, you're violating the law. And the other change that's happening is currently, if you get a ticket for a cell phone violation, distracted driving violation, it doesn't go to your insurance company. With the new version of the law, insurance companies will have access to those violations. Well, I'd like to think, I'd like to think that the new law will change behavior, and I think we have some historical evidence to say that's the case. If you look at seatbelt use, back prior to seatbelt laws, we had really low seatbelt use rates, and as the law became a secondary law and then a primary law, our use rates kept climbing and climbing until about 95% of people in Washington use their seatbelt. And we saw a similar thing years earlier with impaired driving, where the more serious we took it and the more energy we put into enforcement and education, we saw less and less people driving impaired.